Morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Hello. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning, online and offline. My voice is clear. Online, guys. Is it audible? Is it clear, online, guys? My voice is clear. Please respond, anybody. Okay. All right. Guys, yesterday, what was discussed yesterday? What was discussed yesterday? Yeah, we discussed we discussed yesterday bug life cycle. Okay. We discussed yesterday bug life cycle. What is the bug life cycle? What is the bug life cycle? What is the bug life cycle? Tell me, guys, what is the bug life cycle? Yes. What is the bug life cycle? I am asking you. Huh? Yes. Bug life cycle. When we call bug life cycle, huh? What I'm saying, bug life cycle? What I'm saying, bug life cycle? Once we got any defect, once we got any defect, the defect we need to inform to the developer. We need to inform to the developer. How you guys are able to inform to the developer? What is the defect status tester in? What is the defect status dev side? Yeah. Before accept the defect, that is we call, that is the status is unresolved. The status is unresolved. Once the developer accept your defect, the status is open. The status is open. Is it clear or not? Okay. See, I got a defect. I need to inform to the developer. The developer accept my defect. Once the developer accept my defect, okay, clear? After that, the developer fix the issue and again sending to the testing department. As a tester, you need to do again the defect really fixed or not. The defect really fixed. The defect really fixed. The testing is closed. What I am getting in earlier, the second time also I got same issue. What is the defect status? Reopen. The defect status is reopen. The defect status is reopen. Again, we need to inform to the developer. Okay. Again, we need to inform to the developer. The developer unable to understand why we got again this defect. The developer is unable to understand. The time the developer is put in hold. Sometimes the developers are reject. Okay, sometimes the developers will explain to tester as per design. This is not our end. This is designing part Okay, they will explain like that. They will explain like that. Is it clear or not? Okay, once the developer reject the defect, after that what we need to do? We need to do, that is really defect or not, you need to do one more time. Once you guys are validate the application, the time, second time also, you people are able to get same issue. You people are able to get same issue. The time what we call, the time what we need to do. Yeah, the time the team lead try to explain to developer, the time also the developer is not accept. What is the next option? Yeah, we need to inform to the product owner or BA. We need to inform to the product owner or BA. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? That is we call, yes. Huh? Okay. That is we call bug life cycle. The next one, software testing life cycle. Software testing life cycle. Okay. Online guys, my screen is visible. Is visible guys. Offline guys, just a minute. Offline guys, just a minute. Now it is visible. Online guys. Yeah, all right. All right, guys. Okay. Okay. ఒక్క నిమిషం. Offline guys, just a minute. The next topic is the software testing life cycle. Software testing life cycle. What is the software testing life cycle? The software testing life cycle will explain clearly how to do the testing. The software testing life cycle will explain clearly how to do the testing. How to do the testing. See, ఒకసారి మనల్ని పైకి రమ్మని చెప్పండి. అవునవును. Yeah. See, there are a different types is there in software testing. The software testing life cycle, there are a different types is there. The first one is the test planning. The first one is the test planning. The next one is the test development. The next one is the text execution. The next one is the result analysis. The next one is the bug tracking. The next one is the reporting. Finally, the last one is the closed out. I will repeat one more time, online guys. I will repeat one more time. Software testing life cycle. The software testing life cycle will explain clearly how to do the testing. How to do the testing. Okay? How to do the testing. The software. The first, there are different types is there. The first one is the test planning. The next one is the test development. The next one is the connection. Okay. The next one is the test execution and result analysis, bug tracking and reporting. Okay. Test planning. What is the test planning? I discussed already, guys. What is the test planning? I discussed already. What is the test planning? When you guys are able to create the test planning, when you guys are able to create the test planning, once we got the requirement from the customer, we need to create the test planning. We need to create the test planning. Is it clear or not? Okay. Based on the customer requirement, how many requirements is there? The customer is provide how many requirements? You need to cover the test planning. In this test planning, we are able to provide test scenarios. We are able to provide test scenarios. Okay. See, the first one, the test scenarios, what you guys are able to brightness. What you guys are able to provide in test planning. What you guys are able to provide in test planning. The first one, how many requirements the customer will provide? How many requirements the customer will provide? The second point, every requirement related, all scenarios we covered or not? Every requirement related, all scenarios we covered or not? Every requirement related, all scenarios we covered or not? Is it clear or not? The next one, any requirement missed or not, as a tester, we need to verify. As a tester, we need to verify. This is we are going to mention in test planning. This is we are going to mention in test planning. Is it clear or not? How many types? Software testing life cycle. How many types? First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, next one, closed out. Okay. Yeah. The first one, test planning. In this test planning, what type of content we are able to provide? In this test planning, what type of content we are able to provide? Based on the test plan document, listen carefully, guys. Based on the test plan document, how to start the testing, the test plan will explain. How to start the testing, the test plan will explain. The next one, you guys are observe how to achieve a goal, the test plan will explain. How to achieve a goal, the test plan will explain. The test plan will explain how to start the testing. The test plan will explain how to achieve the goal. The test plan will explain what type of softwares we are able to use. The test plan will explain what type of softwares we are able to use. The next one. Yeah, guys, online guys, my screen is visible or not? Online guys. Online guys. Online guys, my screen is visible or not? Please respond anybody now. No, no. Okay, okay, all right, all right. Okay, okay. Thank you, guys. The test plan, listen carefully, guys. The test plan will explain how to do the testing. The test plan will explain how to achieve the goal. How to achieve the goal. The test plan will explain what type of softwares we are able to use. What type of softwares we are able to use. The test plan will explain what type of software we are able to use. The test plan will explain what type of testing we are able to use. What type of testing. We have how many types is there? 24 types is there. The time will explain. Yeah. Your screen is sharing. Online guys, my screen is visible. It is clear, everybody. It is clear, everybody. Online guys. Okay, all right. Krishna, please check internet issue. I think you are on the internet issue. My screen is visible. Remaining people are able to see my screen. Okay. Only you are not able to see my screen. Devendra Krishna Sai. Okay. Yeah, tell me guys. Yeah, that is my only homepage. I'm not open anything guys. Okay. Yeah, now I open the notepad. Okay. Now it is visible. Okay. Yeah. Ah, very good. STLC, software testing life cycle. Okay. The first one is the test planning. Okay, guys. The test planning, the first step, how to do the testing. The test plan will explain. The second point, how to achieve the goal. The test plan will explain. The next one, what type of softwares we are able to use. Very good. The next point, which type of testing we need to do. Which type of testing we need to do. Okay. 4 point. The next one, which requirement we are able to test. 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 The next one, all requirement we covered or not. All requirement we covered or not? All requirement we covered or not? Which requirement we are able to test? For example, we have a 10 requirements is there. Okay. For this 10 requirements, what type of software I need to use? First point. Second point, what type of testing I need to do on this 10 requirement. Okay. And within 10 requirement, first, what type of requirement I need to do? What type of requirement I need to test? The next one, before closing, all requirement we covered or not? All requirement we covered or not? Is it clear or not? Shall I repeat? Yeah, I will repeat one more time. You guys are observe. I will repeat one more time. You guys are observe. The first one, test planning, software development life cycle. The first one is the test planning. What is the test planning? In this test planning, what type of content we are able to provide? First of all, once we got the requirement from the customer, I need to create the test planning. I need to create the test planning. In this test planning, I need to cover all requirement related scenarios. All requirement related scenarios. Okay. The next one, the test plan will explain how to do the testing. The next point, third point, the test plan will explain how to achieve the goal. The test plan will explain what type of softwares we need to use for this requirement. What type of softwares we need to use. The test plan will explain what type of requirement we are going to test. The test plan will explain what type of testing we need to use. The test plan will explain all requirements is covered or not. Okay, clear or not? Is it clear? Shall I repeat? Shall I repeat, guys? The next one, content of test plan. The next one, this is also comes under test planning. This is also comes under content of test plan. Content of test plan. Content of test plan. This is also comes under test planning. Okay. Test plan is the parent and the content of test plan is the child. Okay. Module and submodule like. Okay. Content of test plan. There are two types is there in content of test plan. The first one is the objective. The next one is the reference document. The first one is the objective. The next one is the reference document. The next one is the reference document. What is the objective? Objective is nothing but purpose of the project. Objective is nothing but purpose of the project. Reference document is nothing but a BRS, FRS, URS, and BDD and BD. Object is nothing but purpose of the project. Reference document is nothing but FRS, PRS, URS, and PDD. These are all we call reference document. Content of test plan, two types. One is the object, second one is the reference document. Content of test plan, two types. The first one is the object, the next one is the reference document. Object is nothing but purpose of project. Reference document like a URS, FRS, BRS, BDD, BD. This is we call reference document. The next one, coverage of testing. The next one, coverage of testing. This is also comes under test planning. Okay, submodule 2. Submodule 1 is the content of test plan. Submodule 2 is the coverage of test planning. Coverage of test planning. Okay, there are two types. There are two types. The first one is the future to be testing. The second one is the future not to be testing. Future to be testing, future not to be testing. What is the future to be testing? Future to be testing is nothing but future to be testing is nothing but which requirement we are able to test through manual, that is we call future to be testing. I will repeat one more time. Future to be testing is nothing but which requirement we are able to test through manual, that is we call future to be testing. That is we call future to be testing. The next one, future not to be testing. Which requirement we are unable to test without manual. Okay, which requirement we are unable to test, that is we call future not to be testing. I will repeat one more time. Future not to be testing, which requirement we are unable to test, which requirement we are unable to test through manual, that is we call future not to be testing. Okay, I will repeat one more time. Coverage of testing, two types. The first one is the future to be testing. The second one is the future not to be testing. What is the future to be testing? Which requirement we are able to test through manual, that is we call future to be testing. Future not to be testing, which requirement we are unable to test, which requirement we are unable to test through manual, that is we call future not to be testing. Is it clear? Clear, everybody? Yeah. I have 100 requirement. I have 100 requirements. Out of 100 requirement, 20 requirements is the future to be testing. 80 requirements is the future not to be testing. Clear? I have 100 requirement. Out of 100 requirement, 8 to 20 requirements is the future to be testing. Okay, 80 requirements is the future not to be. Yeah, very good. Which requirement is the manual? 20 or 80? 20 confirm? 20. Listen. We have 100 requirements is there. 20 is the future to be testing. 80 is the future not to be testing. Okay, out of 100, 20 is future to be testing and 80 is future not to be testing. Which requirement is manual? 20, yeah. 20. You guys all listen carefully. 20 is clear? How many people? 20. Raise your hand. Very good. 20 requirements is the feature to be testing. Okay, clear? Very good. Yeah, future to be testing, future not to be testing. Online guys, future to be testing is nothing but which requirement we are able to test through manual, that is manual testing. Which requirement we are unable to test without manual, that is automation testing. That is automation testing. Is it clear now? Yeah. This is we call future to be testing and future not to be testing. The next one, test to design techniques. Test to design techniques. I said testing methods or techniques are different. Test to design techniques are different. Test to design techniques are different. The first one is the PVA. The next one is the ECP. The next one is the state transaction. The next one is the PVA and ECP and state transaction and decision table. Decision table and error guessing. Error guessing. Okay. This is we call test to design technique. This is we call test to design technique. Is it clear or not, everybody? How many types test to design technique? Total. The first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Yeah. PVA is nothing but boundary value analysis. Boundary value analysis. Boundary analysis. ECP, equivalence, class, partition. ECP, equivalence, 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 class, partition. Okay. State transaction, you know, decision table, error guessing. Okay. See guys, answer also is there in that questions. Okay. The first one, boundary value analysis. Okay. Equivalence, class, partition. The next one, state transaction. The next one, decision table. Next one, error guessing. Clear? Huh? Some people are asking, those people are unable to understand the test case authoring. Okay. You guys are hold it or test design techniques. Okay. I will explain the test design techniques. I will explain test design techniques. Tell me one application, any application. Huh? New page. UPI. Okay, I will make a test case for UPI. Okay, very good. Yeah. TC number. Yeah, I need to open the UPI. Okay. My UPI is the PhonePe. Okay. PhonePe. I need to open PhonePe. Yeah. Test case number 1. TC underscore 01. TC underscore 01. See guys, I need to launch the UPI. Okay. See, verify PhonePe app is properly working or not. Okay. Verify phone pay. Listen carefully, guys. Okay, online and offline. Okay, and every time unable to repeat. This one is I am unable to repeat every time. Okay, so you guys are concentrate here. Okay, switch on చేస్తుందా పైన. See guys, okay, it is visible. It is visible. Okay, yeah. See, verify phone pay app is properly working or not. Okay, the next one here. What is the precondition? What is the precondition? This is optional, guys. Okay, launch the phone pay app. Okay, I think you guys are enter any URL here. Okay, launch the phone pay app. I was not validate your papers. Okay, I forget yesterday. Day after tomorrow I will provide. What is the description? What is the description? What is the description? First one. Okay, open real device, and second one, select phone pay. This is the real device. Okay, see, we have it. If you want to do the mobile testing, we have two types of devices is there: emulator, simulator. Okay, emulator is the setup, with two length you need to set up, and simulator is the real device. Okay, open the real device, select the phone pay. What is expected result? What is the expected result? System. The phone pay able to ask, able to ask passcode or pin number. Is it clear or not? Okay, see guys, once I launch my phone pay, it is asking for some passcode. When I put my fingerprint, it will be open. Okay, this is expected result. I think you people are able to write like this or not? Yeah, the actual result, what happened? This is the common. What is the system, not system? What happened? What is the device? Okay, what is the device action? Action or perform. Okay, anything. Okay, and the expected result and actual result both are same. The result is, both are different. The result is it clear or not, everybody? Test case number 1, what I need to verify? Purpose will explain clearly. Purpose second column will explain clearly. Which requirement we are able to test? I need to test, verify phone pay app is properly working or not. Before sending the amount to particular person, I need to verify my phone pay is properly working or not. What is the precondition? This is website. You guys are able to provide website. This is not a web application. This is mobile application. So in this time, you need to launch the PhonePe app. Okay. Under the description. Okay. Open real device. Open real device. Select the PhonePe. Select the PhonePe. And what is our expected result? PhonePe able to ask passcode or PIN number. Passcode or PIN number. Some people are able to provide face recognize. Okay. Face recognize. Okay. See, that is optional, guys. One or two. Passcode or PIN number, it's enough. Okay. What is the actual result? What happened? What is the device action? Okay. Once you guys are launched your PhonePe, it will be asked PIN number or password. The expected result, actual result, both are same. The result is pass. Clear? Clear? Okay. The first of all, I need to send the money to new person. New person means just I need to take cup of coffee outside. Just I need to send the money to particular person. That is a new person. He's not in my existing phone contact. He's not in existing phone contact. Okay. Test case number 2. Is it clear or not? He's not in my phone contact. Okay. This is the new. Okay. I need to send a money to copy shop. How I need to send the money to copy shop? Okay. See. Verify PhonePe. Verify PhonePe. Able to send the money to new customer or not. Verify PhonePe. Verify PhonePe. Okay. Verify PhonePe. PhonePe able to send the money to new customer or not. New customer means if I have that number in my contact, that is not a new customer. Okay. I went to somewhere. Okay. I need to send the money to particular shop people. That is new customer. Okay. Just I need to send the money. How I need to send the money? Just you guys are watch here. Launch the PhonePe app. Clear? Yeah. Open real device. Select PhonePe. Next one. Next one. Huh? The third point. Enter passcode or PIN. Anything is required? Anything is required? Oh, no. Huh? Select PhonePe. Enter password. Home page it should be displayed. PhonePe home page. What next? Huh? New customer. Ammo, PhonePe lo new customer unda? No. The customers, if you go to the any restaurant, the customer, they will explain to mobile number or scanner code. Think smart. Select the QR code. QR code option. Okay. Select the QR code option. Okay. Anything is required? Anything is required? Scan the customer QR code. Scan the customer QR code. Anything is required? Anything is required? Once you guys are scan the QR code, automatically payment page it should be displayed. Okay. ఎంటర్ ఎప్పుడు మీరు అమౌంట్ సెండ్ చేయలేదా? ఎంటర్ అమౌంట్, ఎంటర్ అమౌంట్. Is it clear or not? Okay, enter amount. Anything is required? Anything is required? Yeah. Before select the payment option, you have three banks. You have three banks is there in your phone pay. Okay, I say is there. For example, see guys, if I want to send any money, okay, to any person, see guys, once I select the amount, see guys, here one option is there, banks. Okay, we have a different options is there, banks. You need to select any bank. You need to select any bank. So enter amount. After that, select the particular bank. Select the particular bank. Select the particular bank in the sense which is having amount in that bank. Okay, which is having amount in that bank. Select the particular bank. Okay, the next one. What is the next one? What is the next one? Click on pay button. Click on pay button. Click on pay button. Okay, what is the next one? What is the next one? Very good. Enter password. Enter password. Okay, enter password. What is the expected result? Okay, user able to send the money to, yeah, new customer, expected customer. Okay, expected customer. Okay, expected customer, or else user able to get the transaction ID. Okay, user able to get the transaction ID. Okay, what happened? What is the system response? The expected result, actual result, both are same. The result is pass. Both are different. The result is fail. Is it clear? Is it clear, everybody? Okay. The next one, existing customer. I mean, existing your friend. Okay, you need to send the money to your friend. Okay, to your friend. TC underscore 03. TC underscore 03. Verify. Okay. Verify phone pay. Okay, able to send the money to, yeah, existing customer, existing contact or not. Verify phone pay, able to send the money to existing contact or not. Existing contact. Okay, I have a contact list is there. Okay, I need to send my particular contact number. Okay, yeah, you guys are write down this one. Other person I said clearly, you guys are write down how to send the money to best. This is the reference, guys. This is the reference. Okay, you guys are write down. Yeah, you guys are open your phone pay. Okay, check and verify how to send the phone pay to existing contact. Okay, you guys are able to write. Online and offline, guys, both you guys write down. Are able to understand how to send the money to new customer. Same like how to send the money to existing customer. Okay. Random simple. But what's for no, not for legend द्वारा rest के small Completed, guys. Completed. It is completed, guys. Yeah. Tell me what is the description first step. Open real device. Select phone pay. Enter password or PIN. Next step. Click on. Very good. Click on to mobile number option. Okay. Click on to mobile number. Once you guys are click on to mobile number, click on mobile number. Okay. Option. Very good. The next point. Once click on the mobile number option. Yeah. Such a name. Such a name. Already you don't know contact number. For example, you people are able to remember every contact. It is not possible. You know the name. You people are able to remember name. Okay. Whatever you saved in your contact. Such a name in. Okay. In search bar. Very good. Search bar. Next one. Very good. Select a contact. Select a contact. No, here something is happened. Once you guys are select the contact number, we got one pop-up. Pop-up means decline or continue. You guys are observe? Block or continue. Okay. Then select the continue button. Select the continue button. And next one. Enter amount. Enter amount. Continue. After continue, enter amount. Okay. Next one, select the bank. Select the bank. And next one, click on. Yeah, click on pay button. Just you need to click on pay button. Click on pay button. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Click on pay button. What is the expected result? Same. Yeah, user able to send the money to expected customer and user able to get transaction ID. Same. And existing customer. Yeah. Select a bank and click on pay button. Very good. Enter. Enter password. Okay. And user able to send the money to expected customer or user able to get the transaction ID. Okay. Transaction ID. User able to get the transaction ID. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Okay. And if you want to check the balance, to phone pay or anything, how you guys are able to check the balance? TC underscore 04. Yeah. TC underscore 04. Verify phone pay. Able to check. That is not a proper way. Verify phone pay verify PhonePe, user able to get the expected bank balance or not. Okay, verify PhonePe, user able to get expected bank balance or not. Is it clear or not? I have it 2-3 banks is there, guys. I need to select my expected bank balance. Okay, yeah. What is the process? What is the process? Yeah, the first one, what is the description? First one, open real device, select the PhonePe, enter passcode, click on mobile number or anything. Check balance. Click on check balance option. Balance option. What is the next one? Yeah, select a expected branch bank. Okay, select a particular bank. Select a particular bank. Next one, enter password. Next, click on click on send button. Yeah, correct. Check balance. Click on check balance. బాగా వాడుతున్నట్టున్నారు. Click on check balance. What is expected result? User able to get yes, user able to get expected bank balance. User able to get expected bank balance. Is it clear or not? Everybody clear? Okay, that's it. What happened? Okay, what happened? The expected result and actual result both are same. The test case is both are different. The test case is fail. Okay, clear? Is it clear, guys? Okay, this is the UPA. Okay, tell me one more application. Tell me one more application. I will make it. Anything? Tell me one more application. Not to UPI. Already UPI is covered. Okay, anything. LinkedIn. Okay. Okay, this is the LinkedIn. I don't have a credentials. This one. LinkedIn access. I don't have this one. Actually, I never apply in LinkedIn, guys. My resume. Only I am applied only in Naukri only. Okay. And LinkedIn or Monster, I don't apply it in any way. Just only Naukri. That's it. Okay. First of all, I will show you the Naukri login. Okay. Okay. Tell me another application. Actually, my account is already is there. So log out. Okay. Naukri.com. Okay. Naukri.com. How you guys are upload your resume? You need to write a one test case. You need to write a one test case. You have already Naukri credentials is there, not required. Registration is not required. You don't have a credentials. You don't have a credentials. Now we are going to write one test case for Naukri. TC underscore 05 verify Naukri application is properly working or not. Okay. Verify Naukri application is properly working or not. Okay, this is the URL. www.naukri.com. Okay, naukri.com. This is the URL. And you guys are also here. The first one is the enter valid URL. The next one is the second one. Click on enter button. That's it. Click on enter button. Now I need to apply. Enter the valid URL. Click on enter button. Okay. Naukri login page, it should be displayed. What is the expected result? System able to displaying login page. System able to displaying login home page. Login home page. Clear? Everybody is clear? See guys, how I am able to open the Naukri. Enter the valid URL. I entered and click on enter button. Once I click on enter button, okay, I am able to open the login application home page. I am able to open the login application home page. You have a credentials, you need to click on login button. You don't have a credential, you need to click on registered button. Okay, both I will make it. Okay, registered and login both I will make. Okay, see guys, I have a credentials. Okay, now I need to click on login button. Okay, see, test case number 6, TC underscore 06, verifying Naukri application. Verify Naukri application login page is properly working or not. Properly working login page. Okay, see guys, enter valid URL, click on enter button. What is the third step? Very good. Click on login button. Click on login button. System able to displaying login details. System able to displaying login details. Now I will start the testing. Enter the URL. I entered. Click on enter button. I click on enter button. Okay. Second step is clear. First step is done. Second step is clear. Okay. And click on login button. Yeah. Click on login button. See my expected login details. It should be displayed. Okay. And now I need to verify the login button is properly working or not. Okay, login button is proper. This button, see what is expected result here. System able to displaying login details. Okay, see guys, system able to displaying the login details. Now I need, what I need to do, verify Naukri application login is properly working or not. Okay, now I need to validate the login. Verify Naukri application login, not page guys, button is properly working or not. Okay, in bracket login 2 times is there, people are confused. Okay, in bracket once enter the credential, once enter the credential, already here login button is properly working or not is there, here login properly working or not is there here. You need to mention clearly once enter the credentials. Okay, is it clear or not guys? అర్థమైందా? Okay, yeah. And what I need to enter, anything is required here, anything is required here, huh? Anything is required here. What is the purpose? Once enter the credentials, that is correct. Enter the valid username, enter the valid username. How you guys are able to click on login button? Once you people are enter the credential, then you are able to click on login button. Enter the valid username. The next one, enter the password, enter the password. What next? Click on login button, click on login button. Okay, enter the valid username, enter the password, click on login button, click on login button. Yeah, once click on the login button, what is our expected? I click on login. The time what happened? The time what happened? You guys are upload any resume in your Naukri or anything? No. అట్లయితే ఇది అవసరం లేదు మీకు. ఫ్యూచర్లో అప్పుడు అడగని చెప్తా. Okay, once click on the login button, user able to navigate profile page, user able to navigate profile page. System should displaying Naukri user profile page, Naukri user profile page. Okay, system able to navigate to user profile page, user profile page. What happened? What is the system response? Not device action. System able to navigate. System able to navigate to user profile page. What happened? What is the system response? What is the system response? The expected result and actual result both are same. The result is the expected result and actual result both are different. The result is it clear or not? Any doubt? Any doubt? You people are able to understand? Remaining I able to understand how to write the test case? Still you guys are confused who are unable to understand last time. Those people are unable to understand still, please reach me. Definitely personally I will explain. Okay, personally I will tell you one test case every day. Is it clear or not? Clear? Any doubt? Clear or not? I was started 9:30 the session, now 10:51. Okay, almost I covered the time, expected time. Okay guys, thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow you people are unable to understand still how to write the test cases, please reach me. I will teach you. I will explain personally, clearly. Okay, tomorrow I will continue the test design techniques. Tomorrow I will continue the test design technique. But test case authoring is very important. How to write the test cases is very important. See guys, how you guys write the test case, verify the phone pay application displaying or not, okay, is working, or how you guys are able to write like this purpose. The phone pay is the UPA, okay, that is available in your mobile. If you want to write the test case for that one, how you guys are able to write? Verify the mobile application, phone pay application is properly working or not. Okay, that is inside of the mobile, not in your system. Okay, depends on the application. You guys are understand how to write the test case. That is mobile app, you need to write mobile test cases. That is web app, you need to write web Chrome or anything. Okay, try to understand. So many people I think are you guys are able to do the mistake in test case. I know. I will verify tomorrow. Maximum tomorrow I will provide the test cases tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, done. Thank you. Yeah, sure. I will upload the last concept, agile methodology. Agile methodology I will upload, and bug life cycle also I will upload. Severity, priority also I will upload. Inka types of everything I will upload guys. Okay, కొంచెం పండగ హడావుల్లో ఉన్నాం. So sorry for inconvenience. Okay, I will upload today or tomorrow everything. Any doubt guys? Any doubt online? Okay guys, thank you.